And you may ask yourself, why use a jack pad adapter? Well, here is the reason why. See that gap in between your battery pack shielding? This is where your battery pack starts, right here. The shielding can be damaged. Those holes, or the bolts that hold the battery pack in, and you can see the close proximity to the two. You don't want to damage this. You don't want the jack to slip and hit into the battery pack, non-serviceable component. You don't want to accidentally lift too far left or right, because that's hollow. That's hollow. So the factory black area that you see here is bolted up into the body up there, and everything around it is hollow. It is hollow, ooh, that deep. So if you lift too far left, too far right, too far outwards, if your jack does not slide up underneath the vehicle as it's being lifted, this saddle normally is just here. This saddle, if the jack can't scoot up underneath, is going to slip backwards and could tear your side skirts off. It could hit into your door. It could fold over and the vehicle could fall. A number of different reasons why to use the jack pad adapter. And that's what it does for you. It gives it that safety gap. Nothing is perfect, nothing is 100%, but you want to try to mitigate any possible issues, and our jack pad adapters do just that. Keeps you safer.